Today we are going to look at two-step word problems. We've been doing one-step word problems. Now we're going to look at two-step word problems. And we're going to go over how we would do that using our KWSS chart. So let's review our KWSS chart. Our K is, what do I know? Our W is, what do I want to know? Our S is, what strategy and operation do I use? Remember, operation is addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. And finally, I've got to solve the problem. All right, so let's look at what is a two-step word problem. That means that I'm going to be doing two different things. I might be adding 2 times, I might be subtracting 2 times, I might be adding and then multiplying, or subtracting and then dividing. So I've got to be looking for those 2 things in my problem. On Monday, I bought 41 cherries. On Tuesday, I ate 19 of them. Now I want to divide the remaining cherries into bags of 4 cherries each. How many bags do I need? Go ahead and pause the video, draw a KWSS chart in your notes, and think about what do you know. Okay, what do I know? I know that there are 41 cherries. I know that 19 of them were eaten. But that's not where it stops. I also know that whatever's left over, I want to divide into bags of 4 each. So, what do I want to know? Well, easy. I can look at the question. How many bags do I need? So, I need to know how many bags. But there's something else that I need to know, because if I have my 41 cherries and then eat 19 of them, I need to figure out what's left before I can figure out how many bags. So, I also need to know how many cherries are left after 19 of them were eaten. So there's 2 things I need to know for my 2 steps. So the first thing I've got to figure out is how many cherries are left. So I'm going to have 41 minus 19, and that's going to give me how many cherries. So I represented that with a C. Then I'm going to take that C, that cherries, those left, and divide them by 4, and that's going to tell me how many bags I need. So I've got a subtraction problem and I've got a division problem. So now I need a strategy. Well, for my first problem, 41 minus 19, I'm going to subtract on a number line. And for my second problem, whatever that number is divided by 4, I'm going to divide by grouping, because it says I want 4 cherries in each bag, so I'm going to go ahead and put 4 cherries in each bag and see how many bags I need. So now I have to solve. I'm going to start with my first problem, 41 minus 19. I'm going to draw my number line, and I like to count up on my number line, so that means I'm going to start with 19. I don't need to count up any hundreds. There are no hundreds in my problem, but I can start by counting up by 10. So if I add 10, I'm at 29. And add another 10, I'm at 39. 39. I can't add another 10 because that would take me to 49, but I can say 39, 40, 41, and add my ones. So let's count. 10, 20, 21, 22. So I have 22 cherries left. 22C. So now I'm going to take those 22 cherries and put them in bags of 4 cherries each. So I'm going to go ahead and draw out my 22 cherries. So here are my 22 cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And put them in groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one bag. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another bag. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another bag. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I've got 2 left over, but that's okay. I'm going to only count 4 equal bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need 5 bags for B. So we can use our KWSS chart to solve our 2-step word problems.